Yeah, good morning, dear student. I Adit Bhatt, Assistant Professor in Sage University, Bhopal. Today I'm taking here engineering drawing subject, and in this subject I am delivering a lecture on topic scale of chord. So in previous lecture we have already discussed what is scale of chord. I'm saying here very shortly scale of chord to use measure an angle or make an angle with the help of scale of chord or without protractor. So now the scale of chord. Now I'm taking here a problem, construct a 30-degree angle with a horizontal line by using scale of chord. So you will always remember our target is to draw 30-degree angle. But before drawing the angle, we will draw a base. We will draw a scale of chord because it is mandatory, it is compulsory to draw an angle without protractor. So first of all, we will draw a scale of chord. So now I'm drawing here a scale of chord. And you will never change the base OA. If you are suppose you are taking the base OA, so you will take the same distance when you will draw a 30-degree angle. So we will follow the basic step when we draw a scale of chord. First, prepare the scale of chord for the problem. Then draw horizontal line, mark point O on it, O in it. The next construct 30-degree angle at O. So now our target is to construct 30-degree angle at point O. So we will take OA. You will take a OA. OA is the radius. Encompass from the chord scale and mark it on the line draw from O. So the distance of I'm taking here. Now please focus. Please focus. Now suppose I'm taking this point is A and this point is O. So the distance between OA is equal to distance between this OA. So the both are the same distance. Both are the same distance. Both are the same distance. Next, you will draw an arc. So this arc will be equal to this arc. This arc will be equal to this arc. Now suppose this one is the arc. Our next step, then who is the center? Whether you draw an arc upward, take chord length of 30-degree angle from the scale of chord in compass. So now suppose our target is to draw 30-degree angle. So I'm taking here 0 to 30 degree. And you will take the same scale of chord. And drop here. So the scale of chord 0 to 30 degree and this line will be both are same. So now you will join O to B, and O to B is represented by 30 degree. Is it clear? So whenever you will draw an angle, scale of chord is must. Without scale of chord, you can never draw an angle. So now I'm saying the scale of chord 0 to 30 degree, and this 0 to 30 degree both are the same. I'm not drawing here 115-degree angle. Now I'm taking the next problem. Our next problem is the construct any triangle and measure its angle by using scale of chord. So the previous slide where I did draw as an angle, and now here in this slide I'm measuring an angle. So for measuring angle, we will also draw a scale of chord because our need is base. Without base, we can't draw or measure an angle. So now you will draw a base. Now it is our base. So here angle is given 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60, 70, 80, 90 degree. So first prepare a scale of chord from the problem, then construct a triangle of given side. You are supposed to measure angle X, Y, and Z. So now suppose side is given. So you will assume the side, suppose one side is 6 centimeter, another side is 8 centimeter, and the third side is 5, 6, 7, whatever you want to take. So you will take the sides which is where we can easily draw an angle. We can easily draw a triangle. So now suppose this one is our triangle. These are the three sides of triangle. X, Y, Z. One is the XZ, another is the ZY, and third one is the YX. And the length we assume either 5 centimeters, 6 centimeter, 10 till centimeter, whatever you want to take. So now take OA distance in compass from chord scale with the help of compass. So now it is our O2A. O2A is the scallop chord. Now I'm showing here O2A is the scallop chord. O2A is the scallop chord. So you will take here and you will measure O2A and measure on this side. So first we will find this angle. This angle is 30 degree, and the same help you will find the another angle. Now another angle is the according to this 50 degree. So you will measure with the help of this. So repeat the same process from O1 and draw an arc with radius OA1. Place chord AB1 on scale and get an angle by. So now suppose if two angle is given, so we know the sum of the triangle is 180 degrees. So with the help of a triangle rule, we will minus from 180 degree. We will minus from 180 degree. So our third angle is 100 degree. So this is the basic step to draw an angle or measure an angle. Thank you very much.